Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to use Siri based on what type of AirPods that you have. Now this is going to be a feature that won't work if you're hooked into an Android smartphone. You have to be hooked into Apple products, but it's going to be different based on what type of AirPods that you have. Now the newer generation AirPods Pro, as well as the AirPods second generation, the way it's natively built in is just simply by saying, "Hey Siri," and then once Siri is listening, you can do things like turning up or down the volume, skipping to the next song, play or pausing your music, making a phone call, things such as that. Now, the way it's natively built in to the AirPods first generation is through a double tap on the AirPods themselves. Now, you might be asking, well, can I also summon Siri through a tap with my AirPods Pro or my AirPods second generation? And the answer to that is yes. It's just something that you're going to have to set up in the AirPods settings themselves, which is relatively easy. So I'll walk you through that. Simply open up your AirPods case, and then on your iPhone, go into Settings and then Bluetooth, and then tap on this little icon right here next to your AirPods in the list of devices. At that point in time, you can change what happens with a press and hold on the force sensor for the AirPods Pro, and of course, this is where the force sensor is located, and you can make this selection based on whether it's the left or the right AirPod. So for instance, if you want Siri to be summoned with a touch on the force sensor on the left AirPod, you can do that, or you can also do the same thing on the right, or you can have it on both. It's totally up to you. And then also you can change what a double tap does, and this goes for both your AirPods first and second generation. But again, if you want to summon Siri with your AirPods second generation through that double tap, and then again you can select whether it's on the left or the right AirPod at that point in time. This is already natively built in to the AirPods first generation, but it's something you can change in the settings on the second generation. But those AirPods first generation, you cannot summon Siri by simply saying, "Hey Siri," so that's the difference in that instance. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through how you can use Siri based on what type of AirPods that you have. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you next time.